You thought it was over, but some doors don't stay closed. Daniel is gone.
You didn't listen. The door is back.
But this time, it's closer. And it's not just Daniel anymore.
People in the building are starting to hear it.
Scratching from the inside. At night, it breathes.
Then the whispers started again, but louder.
Let us out!
One neighbor tried to destroy it.
He never finished the swing. The door is feeding. And it's getting stronger. Tonight, it opens by itself.
Don't turn around. You might see it.